part. Suppose again I want to just to rebrush these things. Okay. If suppose again the same example which I have taken last year regular class also, that is what I want to add two numbers. I think this example I have taken number of times in the class. All of you know that. I required what are the basic requirements. So which are the phases? I think we already discussed regarding the phases. Okay. So analysis phase is there, coding part is there, testing part is there, then execution part is coming. Okay. Like the same phases are here also in HTML and JavaScript also. Okay. So first point is that if I want to add two numbers, what are the requirements we require? First part is that we require two numbers. All of you know that, like A as well as B. And for that purpose, we are using two variables. Separate two variables are there. Just I want to relate this subject with the HTML and JavaScript subject. Try to understand, because you are more familiar with that C subject. So that's why I'm relating that subject with this HTML subject. Okay. Then we'll discuss what about the syllabus, which are the contents, which are the main points. So what is the vision, what is the mission regarding the subject, what is the concept of this HTML and JavaScript. So again the same point, if I want to add two numbers, I require two variables. Okay. After that, I want to give the value to that particular variable and do the process. Again the same thing, we require input, process and output. Right now all students are here regarding CSE branch. So that's why I'm giving you a little bit of basic things regarding the subject. First thing is that I want to give some input. Using that input, I want to do the process. And finally, output is coming. Like the same concept is here. What is required if suppose I want to create one website? Try to understand. Because this first unit is totally based on overview regarding website development essentials. What is the meaning of essentials? Requirements. Okay. Suppose I want to switch. I want to move from one place to another place. So I want to walk first of all that thing. It means that whatever the requirements for creating any website, is it clear? Whatever the requirements to create any website, it is nothing but what the website development essentials. Okay. Now, question, very important question is coming here. Website development and essentials. Okay. All of you know that what is a web? Web is nothing but what? One type of a complex part. Right. We can definitely we are using that word. Web means a one complex part is there. So we are storing that complex. We are storing that information on server. Supposed to be. Okay. And number of peoples are going to access that information. Okay. So the intention behind this website development is what? Just to share the information. Okay. That information is stored on server. That is what the part. Okay. So that means what is the need of this website development? First point. So it's a totally marketing part. Try to understand. Suppose I have one product. Okay. Suppose I have one product. So I want to sell that product. Supposed to be. Okay. What I'm doing? I will send that information to number of peoples. So how can I send that information? Using this platform. And which platform we are using here? Website development platform. That means using website, right? So this site word is very familiar with you. Try to understand. So concern with the building. Okay. So if suppose you are building one house. Okay. So normally we are using the word like. So I want to move to my site, building site. Like the same thing is here also. Website development, again the word development that is common with that building purpose as well as a website development purpose. So anyhow, if you want to develop something new, okay, and number of people are going to access that information, we require a particular website. Now, what are the requirements for that purpose? So this is what the discussion behind this today's lecture. Okay. So first, which are the benefits for creating a website? Anybody? I'll give you two minutes. Tell me why we are using. Which are the benefits of website? Because nowadays we are using number of websites. Nowadays we are using number of apps also. Okay. So first part is web. After that, app is coming, because nowadays you are using Android mobiles. It's a need right now. It's panic right now. It's a panic situation. All of you know that. So now we are using our app. Now you tell me, what is the use of app? Supposed to be apps are not available. What will happen? Anybody? We are not using app. What will happen? As well as the same thing is here also. Suppose we are not using a website. What will happen? Once you know this part, then it's very easy to give the answer, like which are the benefits of websites. Anyone? Iresh?
जी इन्फॉर्मेशन आपल्याला
Yes.
जी इन्फॉर्मेशन सहजगत्या मिळत होती ती वेळ लागेल मिळायला अवेलेबल व्हायला वेळ लागेल.
Okay, very good, very good.
Time
Any other
consuming
answers?
जास्त.
Okay, very good at it. Iresh, what is your opinion regarding this?
अँड नंबर ऑफ पीपल्स एकाच वेळेस त्या वेबसाईटला भेट देऊन एका वेळेस त्यांना माहिती मिळू शकेल, किंवा जर वेबसाईट असेल तर एका वेळेस एकाला असं माहिती द्यावं लागेल किंवा अदर थिंग्स, किंवा त्यापर्यंत आपल्याला पोहोचावं लागेल.
That why we are using, yes, Kokalgi, Rishikesh. You want to give answer? Suppose we are not using.
नंबर ऑफ पीपल्स नंबर ऑफ पीपल्स एका वेळेसच त्या वेबसाईटला व्हिजिट देऊन इन्फॉर्मेशन घेऊ शकतात ना. जर वेबसाईट नसेल तर त्यांना इन्फॉर्मेशन घ्यायला वेळ लागेल किंवा त्यांच्यापर्यंत इन्फॉर्मेशन पोहोचायला वेळ लागेल.
Very good, very good. Now, what about application? If suppose number of apps are not available, what will happen? So definitely at that time, we are not getting that information. Okay. So the thing is that app is a very good platform. Play Store, on Play Store, number of apps are available. So it's not. It's a very easy thing, try to understand. Using this tool, we can easily get that particular application. Likewise, same thing is here also. Using my website, I want to give that information to number of people. This is what the main concept behind this website development. Okay. So which are the benefits? We are using this website for business purpose. First thing. Okay. Second thing, suppose AGPAT college website is available. Now this panic situation, suppose I want to share one information to you. Okay. So at that time, what will happen? Using my college website, I want to share some information to you. This is what the education purpose we are using website. One more, just to grow your business using with the help of this website platform. Is it clear? Now, number of answers are coming. Sir, sharing the information, that is what the one tool, that is what the one concept behind this website development part. As well as if you want to grow your business, right? Using this, use that website and to share the information. That is what the benefits of website. Now, next question arises: which are the requirements to create a website? Likewise, again, I want to compare this concept with what? C basics. Okay. If you want to run any C program, what is the requirement? First of all, we required an operating system. First of all, before that, we required one device, one computer device. Okay. Using that device, we want to create a C based application. But OS is there, hardware is there, but TC is not there. It means that we cannot create a C program. Right. Now, supposed to be everything is available. One system is there, as well as one operating system is there, as well as one Turbo C application is available there. Okay. So how you start your coding? Using Notepad, right? It means that Notepad is nothing but what the editor for creating C programs. For creating C programs. Now, everything is ready, supposed to be. Now, what is required? You should know the basic rules, basic syntax, as well as basic protocols, how to write the C program. It means that this is what the requirement we required. You should know the knowledge regarding what? How can I use header file? How can I use printf statement? Suppose you don't know exactly what is the syntax of printf statement. You cannot use that part. Yes or no? Once you know the syntax, the rules regarding how to write the code using Turbo C application. So first part is that we require a notepad. Is it clear? Once you have the notepad, next part is that just to write the code. Okay. What is the next part? As per our discussion, last year discussion, number of phases are coming. Once code is ready, it means that just you assume that code is ready. Once code is ready, what is the next part? We want to compile that code. Okay. You want to compile that code. Just remove the errors and you are getting the output, whatever output is coming there. So this is what the entire process, to run C program, any C program. Okay. Now here, suppose I want to create a website. What are the requirements? Same thing I want to convert here. First of all, we require an editor. Now, concern with this website development, here we are using a very simple editor. It is nothing but, and this is what the very familiar editor. It is nothing but what? A notepad. Every system, see, notepad is available. Just to open that notepad. Okay. Okay, blank empty pad is available there. Note as well as pad. Again, the same thing which I have discussed last year. If suppose word is hard, just divide that word, we get the meaning. Note and pad. For noting purpose, we are using that pad. It is nothing but what the notepad. So now we are using that notepad for website development. So in website development, if suppose they will ask the question likewise. Okay, what is the use of notepad? So notepad is nothing but what? One type of an editor. All of you know that use of notepad. Suppose I'm asking the question in different way. Okay, so if suppose editor word is coming, then definitely you will confuse. So don't confuse. The thing is that notepad is nothing but the editor. Okay, like Turbo C is the also one type of editor. Now everything is ready. Now we want to write the code. In this HTML, we'll discuss HTML part afterwards, because as per your syllabus, HTML is a second unit. So I don't want to mix that part here itself. So once you know the notepad, what is the next part? Likewise C, once you know the Turbo C, what is the next part? You should know header file, you should know basic syntax and how you end the code. That is what the part. Now here in HTML, we required first of all some tags. If tag word is coming, it means that behind that HTML is coming. It means that using HTML technology, try to understand, HTML is not a programming language. HTML is what? HTML is a technology. HTML is a technology. So it means that, so 4 alphabets are coming, HTML. Hypertext markup language is there. So ending with what? Language word. But the thing is that H means a hypertext. It means the actual data. Okay. As well as it is a markup language. So predefined tags we are using in this. Okay. And using that data, using that predefined tags. Okay. So in C, we are using a printf statement. You know exactly where is the definition of that printf statement. Okay. But we are using that that printf statement in our code. Likewise, same thing is here also, right? Using some tags, we want to create a website. So again, the same thing in website, number of pages are coming. Okay, it's a very important thing which I want to share with you. In one website, number of pages are there. So it's your what you can say, how you link these pages with each other. These pages with each other. So we'll discuss afterwards client server, how you upload that website, what is the hosting part, and which are the packages as well as services are available for hosting purpose. So hosting part is different. We'll discuss that part at the end of this semester. But right now, first try to understand what is the basic thing. So likewise, see here we are using the editor like Notepad, as well as we are using here HTML tags. Okay, HTML tags. Now in C, suppose we are using instructions. I have taken one example at that time also. So we are clubbing number of instructions, it will create a program. We are clubbing number of programs, it will create a software. We are clubbing number of softwares, it will create an application. Try to understand. Here, we are clubbing number of tags, it will create a one page. Likewise, we are clubbing, we are combining number of pages, it will create a website. It is clear? When we are combining, when we are joining, when we are linking each and every pages with each other, okay, related pages, okay, related pages, it is nothing but what? One website. So we can say that the whole website development process is there. Now, which tags we require for that? For creating a website, which tags we require? So now again, my question is that here, supposed to be, which are the contents available on your screen? Suppose you are accessing any website. So all of you know that my sessions are definitely interactive. So I want to interact with you. Suppose you are accessing any website. Okay. So in which way this information is going to display? What you are getting when supposed to be? Yes, Mahadev.
ऍड्रेस एक असतो फर्स्ट, पुन्हा मेनू असतो त्या वेबसाईट मध्ये,
Right.
पुन्हा नंबर ऑफ पेजेस
Anybody? Anybody from girl side?
Search option, next page option.
Very good. Then next. Any website. I'm not giving here a specific website name.
Or register.
Okay. Right. Next. Any website. Or
Saving data
see
on website.
what
Name
happened?
website in the bold.
Yes. Ruchikesh.
Saving data on website.
On your website, suppose you are accessing any website, like suppose to be your college website. I think you have visited number of times to our college website or DIVA to your university website. See what happens. One thing is very important here. On your website, okay, on your website, number of things are going to display. So first is that on your screen, image is there. Any image. I'm not talking here specific image. So it means that we are going to create a website. Try to understand. We are not user. Are you getting? I think you are right now. You are CSE students. Again, my request to all of you. After engineering, we are not going to use that application. We are going to create that application. That is the important part. Are you getting? It means that try to think in this way. If suppose you want to create the website, I'm not asking you what is going to display on screen, because try to think in this way. Suppose I am a developer. So at that time, I am a developer. At that time, how can I think that part? On your screen, maybe number of images are there. I am expecting this answer from your side. Try to understand. Because each and every time you are thinking like we are using that application, we are using that website. No. Are you getting? We are the developers. Try to understand. And keep in mind this thing and try to think. Okay? You'll get definitely different feeling for that. Okay? So it means that on your screen, if you want to access any website, you'll get number of images, number of scrolls, either from left to right or from right to left. Or maybe some scrolls are going from down to up as well as up to down. Is it not? Means on your screen, you are getting images, texts, scrolls, right? Or maybe sometimes some video clips are there, right? As well as some audio clips are coming. Now, your work is that, okay, your creation is like required, yes, How can I paste that image on my page? Right. So it's a regular process. So registration page is there, login is there, ID is there, login ID is there, password is there, then one button is there. See how I am thinking about that. We required some labels. We required some buttons. Right. See here, everything is available. It's actually very easy part. Try to understand. Everything is available. Just you drag and drop that object. You'll get the object as it is on your screen. In C, if suppose you want to create a button, in C, if suppose you want to create one label, we should write the code before that. But here, everything is available. With using again the same thing, same point which I want to raise here also. Who is the best programmer? Yes, anybody?
लाईट कमी, टाइम कमी, डाटा कमी, पेस कमी, मेमरी पेस
that using less line, okay, using less memory, okay, without compromising the output. Suppose your output is coming, so definitely he or she will be the best programmer. Like the same thing is here also. Using number of lines, I want to create a website. That is what the part. So how can I use more tools? See, I'm using the word like tools. Tools means what? Tags. Using number of tools, how can I achieve my output on my screen? How can I share my information to others? How can I show these things with catchy platform? Yes or no? If suppose I'm displaying, see here, if suppose you want to develop any website, your color sense is also very important. All of you know that. Suppose we are creating a college website and we are showing a red colors on screen. It's no use. Yes or no? So color sense is also required. Each and every minute things we required for that. Right? Like color sense is required. Like text font size is also important. Like image size is also important. It means that your work is like how you design your page in a proper way. How objects, now I'm using the word object. See, second year students right now you are second year students. So that means, so what is the object? So collection of all the things are coming in one point. It is nothing but what the object. I'm concerned with the HTML or this website development part. So in different data structure, object meaning is different. But right now we are using here that object part is like, so all collection, all points are coming to one place, and we are using that object for website development. Like scroll is there. So once scroll means what? That text is nothing but what the object. That object is moving from one place to another place. We want to show the entire image on my frame. Now see, one new word is coming. Frame is there. Right. Window frame is there. Right. Door frame is there. Now here I want to set the window. For which purpose we require a window on website? See, everything is displaying supposed to be, and in left corner supposed to be I want to show one video clip. At that time we require a specific window. Now your work is like, how can I set that window in proper location? So at that time we are considering the pixel point, locations, as well as font size, color sense. Using these things we want to create a particular website. That is what the main point regarding this issue. So now yes, that point which I want to clear first of all, in C, using Notepad or using Turbo C editor, we are going to write the code. Okay, so how you compile that code? So TC compiler is available there. Yes, using that compiler we can easily check whether in your code errors are available or not. So syntax missing is there, so it will show the error. Now how you run that code? Again, using TC application we can easily run the TC code. But here editor is a Notepad. Using Notepad we can easily type the HTML tags once you know the full knowledge regarding any tag. Okay, so next part is that I want to compile that code. We will discuss in coming lectures which are the HTML elements. How can I introduce? How can I design my page in proper way? But right now, I want to just share you the exact flow, exact structure of any website development part. Okay. Now, how can I run the code? That part is very important. So, once your code is ready, just to save the code with using proper name with .html extension. Very simple. Okay. Suppose my web page name is index, INDEX, dot with HTML. That's it. We require that thing only. And in that code, supposed to be HTML number of tags are available. Now, very big question is there. How can I run this HTML code? Anyone?
Internet
How can I
Explorer.
run? Yes. Say loudly.
Internet Explorer.
I am not getting your voice.
Internet Explorer.
Yes, Omkar is there. Okay.
Internet.
So it means Internet Explorer. Very good. So it means that we required any browser. Are you getting the point? So for executing that code, we don't require any platform. Right? In simple way, simple HTML code is there, simple notepad is there, simple notepad editor we are using. Okay, simple HTML tags are there. How can I run that code? If suppose your file extension is .html, just you run that code using any browser. So that means for exit, again the same question, they will ask a question likewise. How you run the code, using which platform you want to run your HTML code. So simple answer is that any browser. Any browser, either Internet Explorer, either Mozilla, right? Any browser, just use for executing that code. If suppose now, as per our discussion, now supposed to be errors are there. So how you resolve the error? If suppose specific line error is there, it will show the line number as well as the error specification. Again, you just move from that browser mode to notepad mode, recorrect that error, recorrect that particular syntax, and again save that code and run the code using again the same browser. Doesn't matter. Once your code is error free, then just you will get the proper output. So this is what the process of designing any simple web page. Just I have not touched with website development part. I am discussing here just only the benefits of website development. As per your syllabus, I am going website development essentials, overview of web design concept. This is what we have discussed today. Then website development teams. So next lecture we'll discuss regarding website development teams, as well as web project management fundamentals, website development process, which process is there for development for developing any websites. Then web page, this is important, web page layouts and elements. So today I have touched each and every subbits of first unit. So next lecture will discuss how to run that code. So I will show you using HTML as well as using HTML code as well as using browser how to run the code. Okay. Then which are the web page layouts, okay, as well as elements. Elements means what? Again the same point, that is what the object. Okay, I want to drag the object on my screen. I required specific tag. Likewise again see, enter first number. We are using a printf statement. Printf double quotation, enter first number with ampersand and variable name. You know that part. Scanf is there. Scanf is essential. If you are not putting the scanf, what will happen? You will not answer. Likewise, same things are coming here. So right now we are not interacting with website. Try to understand. Just we are showing the objects on your screen. That is what the first part which we are discussing here. So when JavaScript, I think unit number 5 JavaScript code is there. So when we are at that time JavaScript discussion, so we'll discuss how to interact with that page. So right now our target is that how can I create the web pages? How can I link these pages with each other? And this is the basic part. Then how can I add the graphics elements on my website web page, as well as how can I introduce, how can I fix it with what you can say multimedia tools on my website web page. So this is what basic requirement concerning first unit. So I think I have taken more time. Next lecture will be there. So coming lecture will discuss in detail regarding how to develop the website and detail things. Okay, so I want to stop this discussion. If you have any query, just post me on WhatsApp. Thank you.